What tool can you not live without? Best tool is my body. But after that, a good machete is pretty high on the list. What do you wish people knew about farming? I wish people knew that farming is activism. I wish they knew that farming is meditation. It is community engagement. It is a form of environmentalism, taking action, forming a relationship with the earth, and it's healing the world. It's healing when you do that. What is the wildest idea that you have had? We came together as a collective of farmers to raise free-range chicken. Good morning, chickens. What started out as just a handful of farmers has now grown to many of these operations. And what was once just a handful of retailers is now almost every co-op in our state. What was one of your greatest failures? On a farm, there are no failures, only lessons. We've killed a lot of trees, we've made room for lots of weeds, and we've made some inefficient systems, but there are trees alive and there are efficient systems. The earth here is coming into its own balance, and we just have to respect that, honor that, and support that.